I was going to say, let him get in there and you walk this line right here. We'll hold your legs so you don't go overboard, right?
There you go.
If I fall in, you should probably get it on video.
Hayden, we probably need you to come over here and stomp on this one to get it in the mud good. There we go.
How's that?
That's good. That's good. That's good. That'll work. Okay, let's do one more stop down here. Show me what you did here.
I put my hand in the mud and I put it in there.
Okay, and so it's this stick right here. Okay, that's cool. How many? You show me your hands.
They're not muddy. I just wiped them off.
Okay. Good job. Good job, everybody. All right, those are cypress trees, and we're kind of hoping to make a swamp habitat, or at least that's my goal. I don't know if it's anyone else's, but that's mine. Good job, everyone.